Okay, just bought this Launch C reader to replace my snap-on Modus. The Modus is a brilliant tool, but it's a bit too much having 400 quid worth of diagnostic machine in the cupboard doing nothing. So this is more for DIY. But looks a good bit of kit. Solid, well built. Does ABS, SRS, OBD, live data, so pretty much all I need. And that's all it comes with. Nice carry case, padded, and the lead in the box. And I think there's a PC lead as well somewhere. Yeah, there it is. But you don't really need that. That's it. Right, I'm going to go and plug it into my Honda and see how it does. Okay, it's all hooked up to me CRV now, my Honda CRV. Let's see what it does. So I'll take touch screen anyway. I don't know why I bought it touch screen, I know it won't. So let's go into ABD first. So it's scanning through all of the things. Also 9141 should be. Maybe not. Let's turn the key on. Try on again for some reason. Okay, we're in. So it says we've got one DTC even though the management light is off. So that's interesting. Readiness monitor is complete, not complete, nor really good useful information if you're buying a new car. So that's just on the first page, it's worth its money. Let's press OK. So we've got read codes. We'll just have a quick look at that. So I've got to go into manufacturer. Honda. Electrical load detector circuit high input. Alright, I'll have a look at that. If it don't put on a load, I know it can't be that bad. I'll just erase that. Might as well while you're here. Okay. Okay. So they've been cleared. Let's just read codes again and check. Has no fault codes. So you got I am readiness. Since the DT was cleared, since I've just done it, no good. Draw cycle, we ain't had one. It does not support it anyway, which is good. A lot of these older cars that don't support much. So let's go back. Data stream, freeze frame, all good stuff. Let's just have a look at the data pins for this car. View all items. There you go, loads of stuff. Long term fuel trim bank 1 and 2. How do you turn over? Ah, I've already done it. So that's all there is on this car. The less the better if you ask me out, but some of them are useful. Well, there's the throttle position sensor. 91 off. It's taking its time. Well, let me just try something. If I select it, where was it? There you go. So I'll just select that one, come out. There you go. It's a lot faster when you just get only the one PID. Because it's only calculating that data. Now, view it in graph. You can have more than one, but the more you have, the slower it reacts. So let's just try that. There you go, graphing. That's 91% off. Obviously, you'd be looking for glitches in that if there was a problem. That one's alright. Okay, just shows you how useful it is. Right, so that's about it for the ABD2. And it's got manufacturer software on it as well, so that's good. I've only just realised that myself. I thought it had just generic. So how do we get out of it? Tell you what, I'll stop it and reset it. Okay, so I'm out of there now. I didn't have to, all I had to do is press back and then OK. I just weren't reading the screen. So OK. Loads of stuff. Honda, Ford, Acura. I'll let you read them. Some I even don't even know what they are. It goes right back to the beginning, which is handy. So I'll go into Honda, Diagnose, okay, Honda or Acura for some reason. So manual. So there's ABS and SRS. So system information, it don't tell you a lot. Let's just read the data stream. It's got all that stuff. Look, front wheel speeds, solenoids, ABS motor, the battery. These are the most handiest because you can put the left speed sensor on. Well, you put all four on if you've got a light on, and then you can check to see which one's working properly. If 3 of them are doing 10 miles per hour, one's doing 5, you know the 5's out. So, well, I'll just have a look at the battery because that's the easiest one. I'll put the battery and the brake switch. Come out. There you go. So I've got 12 volts. If I stick the stereo on. So brake switch on, off. So there you go. Really good tool. You got the SRS as well, but there won't be a lot on that. So yeah, we can save you a fortune on garage repairs. This cost me 60 quid, so it's already paid for itself just on that DTC.